What if I told you there is this video platform where you do not need a million subscribers to start making money? Yes, you heard me right. You see, there is this video platform where you only need 100 followers to qualify for their partnership program. Sounds too good to be true, right? Just 100 followers and you are in. That platform is Rumble. And today, I am going to show you exactly how to start earning from your content in this self-same 2026. Stay with me because this is going to change the way you think about creating content online. Welcome back to Ryan Teaches Tech. I am Ryan. This is video 3 of our complete Rumble Beginner series. In video 1, I showed you how to create your Rumble channel from scratch. Then in video 2, I showed you how to upload your first video on Rumble step by step. And today, in video 3, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money on Rumble, including how their partnership program works, how much you can realistically earn, how to connect your payment method, and the proven strategies to maximize your earnings as fast as possible. Now, if you have not watched videos 1 and 2 yet, the links are in the description below. Make sure you watch those first and then come back here to complete our Rumble journey. Now let's get straight into it. First of all, let me show you exactly what Rumble's monetization looks like and why so many creators are flocking to this platform right now. I'm going to open my browser and go straight to rumble.com. Rumble.com. Now this is how the homepage looks like. I'm already signed in on this browser, so immediately I open rumble.com, it comes to my home page. Now I'm going to click the profile icon at the top right and go to account settings. So account settings, come to the left side of the page, you see N almost at the lower end. Click on it and then you see where everything is. Take a good look at this page because this is where your journey to earning on Rumble begins. Now let me break down exactly how Rumble makes money and pays its creators. Because understanding this will help you make smarter decisions about your content. Rumble makes money in 3 main ways. Number 1, advertising. Just like YouTube, Rumble places ads on videos and shares their revenue with creators. This I know and believe you already know. Number 2, licensing. Rumble licenses popular videos to major media networks and platforms like Yahoo, MSN, and AOL and shares that revenue with creators. And the third method, subscriptions. Rumble has a premium subscription called Rumble Premium, where viewers pay a monthly fee to watch content ad-free. Creators earn a share of this subscription revenue too. This means as a Rumble creator, you have multiple streams of income from just one video. That is something YouTube does not offer at the beginner level. Now here is the part everyone wants to know. How much can you actually earn on Rumble? Let me be completely transparent with you here because I believe in giving you real information and not just hype. Rumble pays creators based on the number of views their videos receive. The amount per view varies depending on your license type, your video category, and the advertisers running ads on your content. On average, creators can expect to earn anywhere between $1 and $5 per 1,000 views on Rumble. However, viral videos or videos picked up by Rumble's media partners can earn significantly more than this. The key thing to understand is that every view on every video you upload is earning money for you simultaneously. So the more videos you upload, the more income streams you create. This is why consistency is absolutely critical on Rumble. Now let me show you the most important requirements to unlock monetization on Rumble. To qualify for Rumble's partnership program, you need a minimum of 100 followers on your channel. That's it, just 100 followers. Compare that to YouTube, which requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before you can even apply for monetization. Rumble's low entry barrier is one of the biggest advantages for new creators, and it is exactly why I recommend starting on Rumble alongside YouTube. So, right now, your number one focus should be getting your first 100 followers as fast as possible. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in just a moment. But first, let me show you how to set up your payment method on Rumble so you are ready to receive your earnings the moment you qualify. I'm going to click on the Earn section in my account settings. You will see an option to connect your payment method at the right, which I have already done. So I chose PayPal. You can see where my mouse is hovering, and my PayPal email is there. There is also a second method, which is via bank transfer. So if you decide to go via bank transfer, you have to input all your details when you select that option. I recommend using PayPal as your primary payment method because it is faster, more secure, and easier to track your earnings. Now go ahead and connect your preferred payment method right now so you are fully set up and ready to receive payments the moment you hit 100 followers. After everything, you click on Save. You click on Save Changes and proceed. Now here is the part most Rumble creators get completely wrong, and it is getting them followers and income every single day. Your licensing choice directly affects how much you earn on Rumble. Let me break this down quickly. If you choose video management exclusive, you earn 60% of revenue generated on Rumble and third-party platforms plus 90% of revenue generated on YouTube. However, you give up full control of your content. If you don't understand, let me break it down. When you choose video management exclusive, it means Rumble owns all rights to the video. You can't post it anywhere else. Alright, let's go on. If you choose Rumble only, which is what I recommend for most beginners, you earn 60% of all revenue generated on Rumble while keeping full control of your content and the ability to publish on other platforms simultaneously. I hope this is quite clear. The bottom line is this: choose Rumble only if you are also publishing on YouTube and other platforms. Choose video management exclusive only if you want maximum distribution and do not mind giving Rumble full control of your content. Now remember, choosing video management exclusive means Rumble holds the copyright, so wherever you post it, you would be taken on. So just bear that in mind when choosing the license. Now let me show you the fastest strategy to get your first 100 followers on Rumble so you can unlock monetization as quickly as possible. So we have filled all the forms and submitted, saved changes. Let's get back home. What do you do to get your first 100 followers quickly and monetize as quick as possible? Strategy number 1: share every video on WhatsApp. Every time you upload a video on Rumble, copy the video link and share it in all your WhatsApp groups and with your contacts. WhatsApp is one of the fastest ways to get initial views and followers, especially in Africa and other regions where WhatsApp is widely used. If you want to know how to get to your videos, you can go to your videos, all videos, and you see your videos here. You click on the video. You can decide to click on the video. For it to open, you use your share button, you copy the link. Once you copy the link, you can write a short post on WhatsApp and paste your link together with it. Now number 2, cross promote on YouTube. What do I mean? I mean post the same video on YouTube, directing people to subscribe on it on YouTube and also follow you on Rumble. So you cross post on YouTube. Tell your YouTube viewers to follow you on Rumble as well. Add Rumble channel link in every YouTube video description. 3. Third, upload consistently. The Rumble algorithm rewards consistent creators. Uploading 2 videos every week keeps your channel active and increases your chances where Rumble recommends your video to new viewers. Step number 4, engage with your comments. Any comments that comes to your video, whether on Rumble or on YouTube or any other platform, ensure you personally respond to them. Those you respond to are far more likely to follow your channel and keep coming back for more. Strategy number 5, use strong thumbnails and titles. Strong thumbnails and titles are key because that is what a person will see first to even think of clicking. Without it, forget about every other thing within the video. Strategy number 6, create a video series. It's so important, I'm repeating it again. Strategy number 6, create a video series. Just like we are doing with this Rumble beginner series, create video series that naturally lead viewers from one video to the next. Series keep viewers watching multiple videos in one sitting, which dramatically increases your watch time and follower count. It's very important. Now let me show you how to track your earnings on Rumble once you are monetized. I'm going to click on the dashboard section here in my account. So let me go back to my home, click on my profile, select dashboard. Now you can see on my dashboard, this is your Rumble dashboard where you can see all your channel statistics, including total views, your follower counts, your view performance, and your estimated earnings. Everything will be displayed, and the particular video doing what. Get into the habit of checking your dashboard regularly so you can see which videos are performing best and create more content around those topics. Let your data guide you in your content strategy. And that is your complete guide to making money on Rumble. Use the 6 strategies I shared to get your first 100 followers as fast as possible and monetize. Now, here is my challenge to you. Go right now and share your Rumble channel link with at least 10 people today. 10 people. That is all. Because every follower gets you one step closer to monetization and one step closer to turning your content into a real income stream. So keep showing up, keep uploading, and keep delivering value to your audience. Now, if you found this tutorial helpful, please follow Ryan Teaches Tech on Rumble and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you never miss a new video. New tutorials are always uploaded, so hit the notification bell so you never miss out. Drop your questions in the comments section below. I personally read and reply to every single comment, and I would love to hear your Rumble journey. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Let's keep growing together.